Hello everyone, how are you? I think you're doing great. Good morning. This is the day second of my speaking fluent English. Speaking English fluently. In this previous video, I share my goal. I had share my goals and some of the knowledge about AI news, information about AI news, and it was 20-minute session and where I am sharing my laptop screen, but I am not able to share my laptop screen because I had not downloaded the OBS name of application. Today, I am download OBS live streaming application so that I share my laptop screen with you so that you find who I am and which type of AI news I will cover in this session. Let's without anything going. I think I share my English fluency journey, English speaking fluency journey. So in the past 2 to 3 months, I want to speak English with fluency because, as you know, English is important language for everything. English is the important language for everything. Some of the time you feel shy and embarrassed when you speak English to the other person, but you don't do this because if you feel shy or embarrassed to speak English with other people, you don't have the knowledge of English speaking, and don't to be a good speaker because it's a journey of life. First, you take mistake and feel shy, impressed, and then if you consistent and focus on our goal, then you will do it. And speaking and after some days, you speak English with fluently because many of the people speak English and but not everyone speak in fluency. Fluency is not the speaking English. It's how to define you and understand others English, others spoken. Because some of the people and I think if you want to learn English or want to speak fluently in English, that's the first thing you can do. You you stream or you saw the English podcast, some English podcast, English, and you do all thing in English, like you saw English book, English podcast, English classes, and some of the basic vocabulary read daily basis because without a vocabulary you don't speak fluently in English. So first thing that I will share, in first day you strong your vocabulary, and second, you watch every videos in English, who is who is your who is on YouTube, and watch some movies and podcast. And this is the simple way to speak fluently in English. I will try so much, uh, and so what happens? What happens? I have no topic for trying to speak, but I want to share my laptop screen. And today I will download. Today I had download OBS Studio application so that I will so I can share my laptop screen with you and cover some newses like AI newses, not other, not anything else. So now I will share my laptop screen. Mm, First of all, you go to the stream. You don't have access to these features. I think I have not access to share my laptop screen. I don't know, but it's not be share. I do not able to share my laptop screen. I don't know why YouTube did not give me these features, but I think I have this access. I should have the access. Okay, now I will share my morning routine. In Mumbai, I wake up not early morning. Of course, you know, Mumbai person wake up late morning. So I am a same of the people. I wake up late morning, and after that, I brushes I brushes my mouth, and then I have some breakfast. I had some breakfast, and then go with my work. I think this is not fair. It's not fair to me because I'm not able to share my laptop screen. But why? Create highlight video. You don't have access. I think, but why? Okay, but don't be nervous. I will share some of the things. Uh, in the previous video, uh, like day first of my English fluency, I will share my some goals. But if you want to speak English with me, my goal is not to monetize my channel. But if you want to speak English in fluency, so follow the my rule. Go live on YouTube and go live on YouTube up to 60 days, and daily conversation with YouTube 20 to 25 minute because in 20 to 25 minute I think some of the people first when he try to speak English first he translate the in the meaning in English in our mind. This is the wrong idea. I think it's hard to think in English, but if you can go with this way, if you go with this way, it's very good for English fluently because if your habit is to translate first English in mind and then open the mouth and say with other people, it's wrong and it's not be good for you because in this way you will not be good English speaker in the future. I think it's hard to share with everyone how to speak English, and it's a emotion. I don't have to share everyone how to speak English fluently, but I think you conversation with other people's like Josh Talk. Dot download Josh Talk and where random people call you or you call with the random people and start conversation in English. All people are Indian, not other countries, so you can speak English up to 1 to 2 hours. Subscription, I think subscription will be the 700 per year, 700 rupees INR per year. So of this idea you can speak English fluently and because my friend some of the story I share you one friend I talking to I say one friend I ask them why you speak English. Why you speak in English? They say I want to go other countries like international countries and travel so that just because not I travel and English important for other countries just because it's a motivated every time when I speak in English, my conversation skills and sense skills will be good, and I don't be nervous to present in public. That's the simple reason why I speak in English. And my second friend tell me because English or Hindi. I think Hindi our native language, but in other way. But I think in other way, English is our native language, not Hindi because uh, doctors, engineers, MNC companies are all are talking in English, not Hindi. High courts, some laws firms, everything talking in English. So I think not in Hindi. Hindi is not my native language. English should be the native language. Uh, and my goal, as you know, my goal of speaking English is I want to work with a US client and US client and in US when I call them and say I provide this type of services this blah 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 and they say and they're talking with me very, very fluently. I'm not able to understand what they are saying in the in that time. I don't understand what they are saying. But after 1 hours or 1 to 2 hours, I will understand easily what they are saying. After before when they are going, I have not closed the deal. Then I will understand what they are saying, and I think remind in my mind. Uh, I I tell them this. I tell them this. I should tell them this. I should tell them this, but not good for me. So that I want to speak English because I want to work with international clients. As you know, my Indian rupees $1 price in INR 94 point something. So if you target US clients, that's the good approach and good mindset because US client pays $500 to 10,000, $500 to $1,000 very easily, and most of the businesses pay them. Most of the businesses pay this amount without any hesitation because $500 should don't be anything. And in India, charge $5,000, which means 50,000 INR in one client for one client is very difficult, and you close the deal 10 to 15 days, and they and they do be very frustrated to yourself and me. So this is the simple reason. That's the simple reason why I am targeting US client because they pay me as well very well, so much money, and they not be hesitate or they not be and they are not doing fraud with us. I think I don't know. Here I am. I want to share my screen. Oh, I think it's working. I am able to share my screen. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, I think you can see my screen. Just please comment. I think you can see my screen. Okay, 1 minute. I check on my mobile. It's a live or not. Okay, I think I'm able to share my. Okay, I think I'm able to share my. Yeah. That's a good. That's a good bro. Now I can share my screen. Okay. Now I will cover some of the AI news and how to use AI. Okay, I go with this link on this app. Which news? I think the date is June 30, 2026. Okay, It's tomorrow news. No, it's yesterday news. A Ukraine excited from Ireland to the US. It's not a news. I switch on this website. Okay, okay. I think it's the first AI news. Uh, Usually, I can always get your money visa wired it into ChatGPT. Visa just wired ChatGPT to shop and pay on your behalf. An AI agent can now buy at any Visa merchant without you clicking buy. It's capped a week where the labs push autonomy and capital to new height. Anthropic to cloud Fable 5 its most important public model, most powerful public model. I think in previous video, they first of the English fluency, I share the Fable 5 model. I share some of the knowledge Fable 5 model and Anthropic just released our new model Mythos. Uh, Mythos and Mythos Fable 5 are the same model, but Mythos are not publicly live because in Mythos model, only scientists and engineers and some of the law firms, high quality firms, they use this model. There is no restriction, no any safety process, and after 2 months, Mythos publicly live before 2 months, and now Anthropic published Mythos Fable with safety into the publicly live. If you Jeff Bezos, okay, I will share Mythos plot. Search on Anthropic. Search Anthropic on the search bar. Anthropic. Here Anthropic is here. All Mythos. About to Mythos. All knowledge about to Mythos. Okay. Cloud map. I will not found where the Mythos information for the share. I may just say this keyword Mythos. Okay, I just just Mythos. Mythos AI. I will just say Mythos AI. And copy all Mythos. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I found the news. Cloud Mythos 5 is currently it's a Cloud Mythos 5 is currently unavailable on 12/26. It's a current news because Mythos will live up to 7 or 9 soon and tomorrow Anthropic share other news. They say the Anthropic statement. They says statement on the U.S. government directive to suspend access to Cable 5 and Mythos 5. I think US government says the Anthropic CEO or Anthropic team to suspend access to Fable 5 and Mythos 5. Uh, Now I will read the whole document and share why it's to the US government creating national security and authorities. Oh, US government says it's has issued an export control directive to suspend all access to Cable 5 and Mythos 5 by any foreign national, whether inside or outside the United States, including foreign national and public employees. The net effect of this order is what we must effectively disable Fable 5 and Windows 5 for all customers and ensure compliance. Access to all other public models will not be affected. Okay. US government says US government says to Anthropic teams uh, suspend all access to Fable 5 and Windows 5 because it's not it's affected to the publicly and customers. We received the directive from the government today 5:21 p.m. Uh, the time that US government says to Anthropic is 5:21 p.m. 5:21 p.m. Government US government says to suspend our model in our country and other country, all countries. The letter did not provide specific detail of its national security concern. Our understanding is that the government believes it has become aware of a method of bypassing or jailbreaking Fable 5. Yeah, I think some of the YouTubers says it's a mind-blowing model, and I think they predict AGI coming, but I think not. This is not AGI. AGI will come after 2030. So Anthropic just not launched the Fable 5. Anthropic launched it in past in before 2 months. Anthropic launched our Mythos 5 model, but not have access to everyone, but not give the access to everyone. And the Mythos 5 and the Mythos 5 model usually use they gave the model access only for scientists, some scientists and anthropic teams, and some of the law firms. And after 2 months, I think it was 5 actively live February to March. And after 2 months, 9 June 2026, 9 June 2026, they launch our new model. That's the same as the Mythos 5. Fable 5 is the same as the Mythos 5, but in Mythos, in Fable 5, some of the restriction, privacy, and Fable 5, and in Mythos, it's not the review a demonstration of this specific technique being used to identify a small number of previously known many minor vulnerabilities. These vulnerabilities all appear relatively simple, and we have found that other publicly available models are able to discover them as well without triggering a bypass. Anthropic posture respect to Fable safeguard as laid out in our blog post. We have instituted strong safeguards that greatly reduce the likelihood that Fable is misused to tasks related to cybersecurity, among others. In fact, our safeguards are so strong that many users have complained that they are overly bold. Okay, just US government says that Fable 5 uses Fable 5 is misused by the people in cybersecurity because our safeguard is so strong. This is our safeguard is so strong, and many of the people complain that they overlap boards. In the weeks leading up to launch of Fable, Anthropic worked with the US government, the UK AISI, multiple private third-party organizations, and internal teams to build Fable safeguard hours total. Okay, this is the latest news I have never seen. And cloud, yeah, cloud with was 5. See there. So there, cloud with was 5 is the latest update for with hospitals seeing gain in cybersecurity, biology, and healthcare benchmark. I say that with HOS 5 have not anyone access. With HOS 5 is only for cybersecurity, biological, and healthcare benchmark. Given its capability, with HOS 5 is currently only available to a small group of vetted partners with goal opening up more broadly in the future. And 2nd of June, expanding project. We are expanding project classroom to approximately 150 new organizations with more than project costing topic availability and pricing के बारे में बता रहे हैं सर it's tell availability and pricing says availability and pricing Disney Cloud with host 5 and Triple 5 access is currently unavailable for classroom partners. It's now today news, tomorrow news. Yesterday news, sir. It's yesterday news. Pricing for Cloud with host 5 starter and $10 per million token. Token is $15 per hour token. Safer because Mythos 5 is highly capable for cybersecurity and biology research. Mythos 5 is highly capable for cybersecurity and biology research. It could be used both for good and for harm. It could be used for good and for harm. We currently only provide access to a small but growing set of customers through our trusted access program. I think I will share this knowledge in previous because 5 is highly capable for cybersecurity and biological research, and Anthropic does not give the access in public of Mythos 5, and they launch our updated version like Fable 5 and give the all access everyone and give the access to everyone of Fable 5. But yesterday, US government says not publicly, it's not should be the publicly live because it's harmful for our healthcare and some of the reason. And US government says that please take the access to everyone of the Fable 5 and now Cloud and Mythos Cloud Fable 5 Cloud Mythos 5 and Fable 5 are currently unavailable to the each countries in order to release in order to release Mythos 5 give me 1 minute please my laptop battery is has died okay here is the some benchmarks of Cloud Mythos 5 and cloud was to cloud 4.25 and 3.0 as you see cloud always with rank first cloud always in rank first agentic coding in agentic coding cloud rank first agentic coding cloud rank first knowledge work cloud rank first Fable 5 and Mythos 5 rank first very difference. You think the Claude with Fable 5 and Gemini and GPT compare these two models with Claude with 5 and Fable 5. What's the difference between agentic coding? 18.3% capable for agentic coding Claude with 5 and 58.6% capable for doing this work like agent coding and Gemini 54.03.1 Pro 54.2% and saw these agent coding it's a frontier coding and it's a SWA benchmark in frontier code Cloud Fable 5 93% high approx 93% high and GPT 5.5 approx 5.7% high and Gemini 3.1 Pro I think uh, not to share this information. And in knowledge work, into the knowledge work, cloud 1932 numbers, shows 1932 numbers, and GPT shows 1769 approx, less than compare, if I compare these two models, approx GPT is less than 200 of Gemini. And knowledge work, vision cloud mission level 5, 29.8%, and GPT 5.5 24.9%. It's like the same, not a big difference between of this of these work. Knowledge work vision, in knowledge work vision, cloud mythos paper and cloud mythos paper and GPT are same, not a very big difference, only 5% difference. In the spiritual reasoning, cloud mythos 5 and fable 5 38.6%, and this uh, even it's a similar, not very big difference. But you see all the benchmark, cloud and Mythos table 5 were ranked first for the every doing works. To think how much this isn't, what's the big difference? Police said. Okay, in computer use, cloud computer Mythos 5, cloud Mythos preview lead with cloud Mythos and fable 5. Windows, go to switch, tap to this icon of news, introducing cloud crop corps. We are launching Cloud Corps National Scholarship Program for people early in their careers who are passionate about extending the benefit of AI to communities across America. Yeah, it's a big news. It's a big news because everyone says Twitter. You you go on Twitter and search only for AI. All of the news based on the Fable 5 and Mythos 5. Everyone says about Fable 5 and Mythos 5. Not anyone news covered on Twitter in AI. And yesterday, Anthropic says U.S. government has issues an export control directive to support all access to Fable 5 and Mythos 5. It means U.S. government says this model are not actively in public. You cannot give the access to everyone, and Anthropic says this, and they are publicly alive. They are completely alive. Yeah. 12th June, this is the biggest news. Result of the first in time public record. Statement of US government directed to suspend access to Fable 5 and Wisdom. I think why it's suspend Mythos 5. Past 2 months, they have the access to everyone, hospitalities and Mythos and Anthropic workers. Why US government says to deactivate and suspend the Mythos and Fable 5 access, and 12 June announcement. TCS and Anthropic partner to bring cloud to regulated industries. Oh, that's the other big news. That's the other big news. TCS and Anthropic are partnered. TCS and Anthropic has partnered to bring cloud to regulate industries, and this is the biggest change in the. Okay. Okay, how much time I will take? I think 40 minutes. That's the good thing. Okay, now I will share the some of the information of introducing ChatGPT. Now I'm introducing ChatGPT. Fix code security. I think ChatGPT have launched not. I think ChatGPT has what I say about the meaning of piche, piche, piche. P-I-C-H, piche meaning is the wow. Yeah, I think ChatGPT to be behind with Anthropic because Anthropic lead in every model. Anthropic every model lead with ChatGPT. Mm, I share, yeah, you see the all benchmarks with ChatGPT, with Cloud with Hospital Cloud Opus 4.1, GPT 5.5, Gemini 3.2. Cloud, all model of clouds to be behind, and GPT 5.5 to be behind, much more behind with Cloud 5.5, Fable and Fable 5. If you want, I think now I will share how to go there, how to go and lead the race of AI. If you want to learn all AI things or all AI uses, that's the biggest size. That's the biggest size where you go and learn all things. It's handled by the OpenAI team. It's called OpenAI Academy. Oh, sorry, I clicked the wrong website. This is the website that handled by OpenAI and also OpenAI website. So here OpenAI is our all events, courses, contents, and community. What's new? AI foundation, courses, applied AI foundation, agent and workflow here. Here you can go and learn all things about AI. SME, AI accelerator, all the things, all the webinars will be conducted in like 4 days, 5 days, 5 days, 5 days, 12 days, 12 days. All of the webinar and will be conducted approximately under 15 days. So you go on this website, first you register, and then before the webinar started, OpenAI sent the email to you, join the webinar, and then you were able to join the webinar and know about the all things of AI. now we will end my great book session. We will meet next day, and you can say day three of the English fluency. So bye. Thank you and great. Bye.